What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. So I finally got my hands on one of the most coveted items that I think I've always wanted to add to my sneaker collection. We unboxed that today. Well, technically yesterday because I did it on stream, but anyway, in today's video, we will be unboxing a sneakerhead must-have for your collection shelf, the magnetic levitation sneaker display. Now, this thing is amazing. I'm already ecstatic about it. It goes for a retail price of $159, but you can actually get it for 30% off. Perfect. Now, I did unbox this with the Twitch fam. You can become a part of that too, twitch.tv/Mike Trysun. But I wanted to share this experience with you guys as well. So we're gonna get to the unboxing, then afterwards, I'll give you my thoughts on that bad boy right there. So, see y'all in a minute. Y'all just gonna let me just keep talking. Twan, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. I've been waiting for so long to get a sneaker display, a levitating sneaker display. I've seen them over the years, man. They probably, what, are $200-300? I actually got this one for $109. But yeah, this is from Culture Kings. I think they're actually in Australia, but it's a really dope company. They have dope hats. They got a lot of like streetwear. I would definitely check them out. But yeah, I got this from them. So we're gonna unbox this and put this together on camera. Dang, this is tough, man. But so what it is, you put it's a display for your sneaker, but it's a magnet that makes your sneaker look like it's levitating. I don't have the drip you do. That shirt you got on fire, by the way. Oh, appreciate it. Hey, you already know, attitude era all day. Oh man, trying to get this out without messing it up. I'm treating this thing like a baby. All right, there we go. All right, so yeah, this thing is way bigger than I was expecting. Yep, this is the sneaker display. So pretty much you have a sneaker that goes right here and it just like floats. It's like a magnet, I believe, is up here. Let's set that to the side. Let's see, this must be, okay, so that must be an adapter. That's probably the magnet. That's kind of heavy. Oh, word. It comes with a remote. It's LED, but it's RGB too, so it changes like different colors, like my keyboard, my mouse. You see this, all that stuff back there. I'm trying to create some nice vibes, you know. Let's see, what is this? Don't even know. All right, so that's everything that's out of the box. Came with a nice foam protection and everything, and this case is nice too. Like this part right here is actually a magnetic. It closes. So then I see they got the Culture Kings. Oh, can I get it? There we go. Culture Kings branding, or the text at the top. So yeah, it definitely goes this way, and they got it right there on the bottom of the display. Now where's the instructions? Because I know it got a, oh duh, this is big pamphlet right here. Came with it. So let's see here. So thank you for purchasing magnetic levitation sneaker display 1. Please, wow, that's such a generic name. It's like DDT 1 or something like that. Please read instructions carefully before using. That's what I'm doing. Please set the product on a level surface. Levitation will not operate properly on an uneven surface. Okay. Let's see here. Let's try to put it over here. All right, let's see. Can y'all see this? All right, yeah, okay, so cool. So y'all can see this. Work. All right, let's see. Get rid of this. Don't need that. I promise, it's no affiliation. It's just I just like the paisley. All right, let's see. All right, we got that up. Let's see what's next. Plug it in, and okay, so let me see what's all in here. So it comes with like a nice little, not even sure what's in here, but it's a bag. Oh, yep, I was right. So this is the magnet that goes into the shoe, and then let me see, does it? Oh, hey, that is strong. All right, golly, man, that magnet's strong as hell. What's in here? Oh, okay, so it's the adapter for the power. So I'm assuming this goes in here. Okay, word, yeah, so this part goes in here. Ow! Okay, there we go. That goes back there. Oh, see, look, we got lights already. Now this it's blue, but it just looks white on screen. But yeah, it's definitely blue. All right, so yeah, here's the remote. Comes with it. Matter of fact, let me see. Can I turn this over some more? Yeah, there we go. Smell crazy.
Do you smell what the Rock is cooking?
Oh, yep. See, there we go. So that's red, green, blue, like a teal. It's like a lavender. And then this looks, it says yellow, but this looks more green. But anyway. Oh, okay. Oh, shoot. Okay. Strobe lights like we in a club. All right. So can I just do it? All right. One solid color. We're going to go with red. It's my favorite color. All right. What's next? Wait, what's in here? Oh, okay. Put the shoe tree in front of the shoe for sneakers. Add counterweight beads to increase total weight to about 450 grams. Scales not included. Dang, so you even got it. Okay, take out the mag. All right, let's do that first. All right, so actually, I'm gonna need y'all help. So, which shoe should I use for the display? I had Travis Scott ones, which is kind of cliche, and yeah, they're dirty because I actually wear my shoes. Travis Scott ones. Off-white 5s. These kind of make sense. The J Balvin, Jordan 1s. These are like my grail shoe. So I'm kind of biased, but I'm gonna leave this up to y'all. The Kith LeBron, one of my favorite releases, my favorite LeBrons like of all time. And the fact that they were very like limited and we'll probably never see this release ever again. I'm so glad I got them for retail. Matter of fact, yeah, we're gonna go with the off-white 5s for the sake of time. Rest in peace to Virgil. It's crazy that that happened, man. And the fact that like nobody knew. I'm pretty sure he did that for specific reasons. He didn't want anybody's judgment to get clouded, and he wanted to keep that to himself. But still, that was like mad unfortunate. So I think the way this works is I put the weight in there, put the magnet in here. Oh shit! All right, so apparently I'm not doing this right. Take out the magnet, put it smaller face down, hold the shoe. Oh, got you. Okay, so. Dang. Man, this thing is, they make it look so easy. Dang it. Hey, this is tougher than it looks. Unless I'm just an idiot, I don't know. But I might actually have to pull out a scale, man. Let's try this again. So 459. So it's at 459 with the shoe tree. Actually, let me just try it by itself. I really did not mean for this to take this long. I wanted to get to some Last of Us. It's stuttering, but it's working. Oh, there it go. Okay, so we got it to work. Lord, that was stressful. Jeez. Okay. Dang, I wish we could have put the 5 on there, man, but the 5 was too heavy. So weight does matter with this. So I tried to do it. No, this is for YouTube, by the way. So I tried to do it with a Jordan 5. It was too heavy. So definitely make sure you have a scale, because if you don't, you're going to run into the problem we did by trying to eyeball it. That shit didn't work. Hey, this is hard, man. That's tough. I gotta clean the bottoms of it if I'm gonna have it displayed though, because otherwise they're gonna be seeing everywhere that I walk to. So now my final thoughts on this was, it was a couple pros and cons to it. Unfortunately, you can only use certain shoes for the display. I took one of my guys' advice from the Twitch channel, and he said he wanted to see the off-white 5s. I gave him, you pretty much, I think you've seen it in the video. I understand why people use Jordan 1s, because there is a weight factor, and the level of which the surface is, it has to be pretty accurate. There's also a humming noise, or it sounds more like a fan, and it's really not that bad. It's actually kind of soothing. Now there has to be something with the magnet that causes it to rotate, because if you turn it off or you unplug it, it stops rotating. Now you can manually tap it and it'll go in a circle, but right now it's been floating like that and turning like that for the past couple days. Now another cool thing is the RGB. So I can cut it off if I want, cut it back on. Then you can speed it up, you can slow it down. There's so many different things you can do with it. But I love this thing, man. It was a great buy in my opinion. I want to buy more of them. It is a bummer that you can't have a heavier sneaker on there, but I get it, physics. What do you guys think about it? Hopefully you guys grab you one if you want one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to see more. So appreciate you guys for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.